Bore da, ffrindiau. Are you ffrindiau? Are you a friendly bunch? Let's see. Okay, I got one way of checking if you are friends. Turn to the friend next door, shake hands, and say after me, hello. Bore da. Sut wyt ti? Anyone said, da iawn, diolch. So you just had a conversation in Welsh. You said hello, good morning, how are you? And your man said, I'm right back. So let's go into the person on the other side. Turn to the other side and say, shake hands, say hello. Bore da. Sut wyt ti? Da iawn, diolch. So I can see you're friends with each other. Now we're going to make friends with me. So it's a hello. Bore da. Sut wyt ti? Mind your own business. Mind your business. Mind your own business. But welcome to the Jamboree. Croeso to the Jamboree. Has anybody been to a Jamboree before? No. Okay. Well, it's full of singing. Are you good singers? Let's have a warm up. So stick your arm out like this. La. 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 I can see us forming a choir after this now. And are you good dancers? Well, the first one is quite easy because you haven't got to move for this one. It's a hand jive. A hand jive is. This is the rock and roll, can you rock and roll? So going, can you rock and roll in the forehead? Can you rock and roll in the thumb? Can you rock and roll in the forehead? Can you rock and roll in the forehead? Again. Going, can you rock and roll in the forehead? Can you rock and roll in the thumb? Can you rock and roll in the forehead? Can you rock and roll in the forehead? Okay, let's see how you do with it. Okay. Can you rock and roll in the forehead? Can you rock and roll in the thumb? Can you rock and roll in the forehead? Can you rock and roll in the forehead? I'm a perfect tailor in the morning. I'm a good from and the wine. We're on the model Asian, I say like a jump. I think you make your eyes right. I'm a icy Asian gravy. There's the little dips and the roll. Oh, boy, dance ya, shake ya, show ya. Can you rock and roll? We're riding up and roll in the morning. Can you rock and roll in the town? Can you rock and roll in the wind? Can you rock and roll in the town? Right, hold your head. We'll bring the bucket on the bucket, Elvis. Let's get this with the stick and let's get your shoes. From the kid, yeah,